Hello everyone, my name is Prajakta Kamble. In this video, I am going to discuss about Bonus Act for subject compensation and benefits as my presentation topic. So let's start the video. Then first we will discuss about a bonus. What is bonus? A bonus is financial compensation that is above and beyond the normal payment expectations of its recipient. Bonus may be awarded by a company as an incentive or to reward good performance. Typical incentive bonuses are company can give employees include signing, referral, and retention bonuses. Companies have various ways they can award employees bonuses, including cash, stock, and stock options. Then Payment of Bonus Act. The Payment of Bonus Act 1965 aims to regulate the amount of bonus to be paid to the person employed in establishment based on its profit and productivity. The act is applicable to the whole of India for all establishments which had 20 or more persons employed on any day during the year. Then Objectives of Bonus Act to impose a legal responsibility upon the employer of every establishment covered by the Act to pay the bonus to employees, to designate the minimum and maximum percentage of bonus, to prescribe the formula for calculating bonus, to provide redressal mechanism. Then applicability of the Bonus Act. It applies to any factory or establishment which had 20 or more workers employed on any day during the year. The Act does not apply to the non-profit making organizations. It is not applicable to establishments such as LIC, hospitals, which are excluded under Section 32. It is not applicable to establishments where employees have signed an agreement with the employer. It is not applicable to establishments exempted by the appropriate government like sick units. Then let's discuss about departments, undertaking, and branches. According to the Bonus Act, any different department or undertakings or branches of an establishment of whether located in the same place or different areas should be considered as part of similar establishment for computation of bonus under the Act. A separate balance sheet regarding profit and loss of the establishment in the year had to be prepared and maintain concerned such departments or undertaking or branch should be treated as a separate establishment for computation of bonus for the year. Then eligibility for the bonus. Any employee is eligible for availing bonus if the following conditions are satisfied. First one is the employee receiving salary or wages up to 21,000 per month. The employee engaged in any work, whether skilled, unskilled, managerial, supervisory, etc. The employee who have worked not less than 30 working days in the same year. Then disqualification of bonus. The employees cannot avail the bonus if any action taken by the management in case of dishonesty, theft, sabotage of any property of establishment, violent behavior while on the duty within premises of an establishment. Then number of working days. An employee will be considered working in a year if the following conditions are satisfied. The employee who is under agreement or as permitted by standing orders under the Industrial Employment, that is Standing Order Act 1946, the Industrial Disputes Act 1947, or any other law applicable to the establishment. The employee during employment has taken leave with salary. The employee who has been absent due to temporary disablement caused by accident during the work. The employee has been on maternity leave with salary in the accounting year. Then payment of minimum and maximum bonus. The minimum bonus will be 8.33% of the salary during the year, or 100 rupees will be given in case of employees above 15 years and 60 rupee in the case of employees below 15 years. Whichever is higher will be paid to the employer. The maximum bonus is 20% of the salary during the accounting year. Then timeline for payment of bonus. The payment of bonus should be paid in cash within 8 months from the end of the accounting year or within a month from the date of enforcement of the act. Then duties of the employer. To estimate and pay the annual bonus as required under the act. To maintain the following registers. The register should show the computation of allocating surplus in the respective form. The register should be maintained with payment of bonus to the employees. The record should be maintained before inspection and such other information should be stored. Then rights of the employees. Right to claim bonus due under the act and to request application to the government for the redemption of bonus amount which is unpaid within 1 year of its being due. Right to notice any dispute to the labor court or tribunal. Employees who are not eligible for the payment of bonus act cannot raise a dispute about the bonus under the Industrial Dispute Act. Right to seek clarification and obtain information on any item in the account of establishment. Offences and penalties. In case of violation of the provisions under the act or rules, then the penalty is imprisonment of 6 months or may impose fine of 1000 or both. In case of failure to comply with the directions or requisitions made, then the penalty is imprisonment for 6 months or may impose fine of 1000 or both. Then let's move towards the last part of this presentation, that is conclusion. The Payment of Bonus Act 1965 aims to legalize the practice of various establishments paying bonuses. It provides a mechanism for calculating bonus based on profit and performance. It allows workers to make more money than the minimum wage of salary. This act establishes various procedures for different types of businesses such as the banks and government agencies, as well as business that are not corporations or firms. So this is all about Bonus Act. Thank you for listening.